Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and you're getting an E94 error on the display and you're wondering what is this error and what do you need to do to get rid of it. So a couple of things. First of all, that this is a cycle configuration error. So when the control board is trying to put together all of the instructions for the cycle, that it runs into an error, which basically means your control board is defective. So there's really kind of two steps that you can do to this. First is just to do a hard reset on your dryer to just clear out the control board. That means, disconnect your dryer from power for a full 5 minutes, then restore power. And if that error persists, the only thing you can really do at this point is just replace your electronic control board. So if you decide to replace your electronic control board, that's kind of a separate tutorial, and I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial in terms of how to replace the electronic control board in your dryer.